Echinoderms. This place has a lot of them, and we all just want to eat them. Now, they're mostly just eaten in Japan, Peru, France, and Spain, but we all know those places eat kind of a lot of weird stuff to begin with, so it's kind of to be expected. 50,000 tons of sea urchins are captured each year for consumption purposes alone. Sea urchins are mostly harvested in Japan, Chile, California, and New England, and they're then shelled in seafood factories, and their edible organs are put in the rows of little wooden or plastic trays, ready to eat. What part of sea urchins do we eat, you ask? Well, their reproductive organs, of course. Who doesn't love sea urchin genitals? And if you're really lucky, you may even get some sea urchin genitals cooked lightly in a French sauce, but most commonly they're eaten raw. Now in Southern California, it would actually be very helpful for the environment if we consumed more echinoderms, because they're actually really destructive to the kelp beds of the region. Now if you can somehow look at that without saying I want that in my mouth right now, and coincidentally you also have cancer for some reason, then you're still kind of in luck. I guess that's not something you say very often, you're in luck if you have cancer, but some of the toxins found in sea cucumbers actually have properties that slow down the rate at which tumor cells grow, so scientists are currently using sea cucumbers for cancer research right now. Now I know what you're thinking, where can I get some echinoderm for my own personal consumption right now? You may actually want to think twice, because sea urchin and sea cucumber populations are actually declining globally. Unfortunately, there's currently a lack of echinoderm population data, and there are relatively few regulations on their fisheries. These organisms are also often accidentally caught in fisheries meant for other marine life. Even when they're not directly caught, they can still get easily hurt by the equipment. We need farmers to start collecting data on how many echinoderms they collect, along with the location in which they collect them from. We also need a global database of all the echinoderm species so that we can use said information for biology, ecology, assessing threats, monitoring, and conserving the populations.